Well, it is the last power hour of the week here at TopstepTV, and we have a very, very special guest joining us today, the man in the middle, Max Maserati. Max, joining us from London, England. Max, how are we feeling today?
Very good, very good. Super happy. We're seeing the market like doing something dramatic out of expectation. So we are super cool, very happy, and happy to see everyone here today.
Absolutely. Dolby time. How we doing, my man?
Doing great. I haven't placed any trades today. I wasn't on fast markets, so I got to kind of just hang out and take in this market with no trades. I don't place any trades unless I'm on Topstep TV, so I have not taken any trades today. So first time I'll be trading will be for this power hour. So I'm looking forward to it.
Very good, very good. Max, looking dapper as always. Any trades today, Max? Tell us what you've done up till this point.
Yeah, I had a very nice trade today, but I got out very, very early on the trade, and then I went outside with the family, and then when I came back,
how much did they cost you?
ES
how much did they
going
cost
down
you?
like a rocket. Yeah, but I catch the trade at the beginning. I think I catch it from the beginning, but I didn't stay very, very late on it. I think
what was the trade? Tell us about the trade.
Sorry?
Tell us about the trade. What was the trade?
I entered on ES 52.42.75.
Oh, wow.
And I got out at 52.16.20.
You said 52.42?
Yeah, 52.42.
And that was the exit?
Sorry?
What was the exit? If you said 52...
I exit on 52.20 was.
Oh, nice. So it's about 22 points on that one. Nice.
Yeah, and I'm like, I'm done for the day. And I explained a couple of things to the guy on my Discord group, and then I'm like, okay, I'm done.
Yeah. I mean, that's a really good trade. I've been journaling. Right, so I got my handy dandy journal here. I did do some journaling last night.
That's great. I have mine around here as well.
Yep, got mine right here.
Dre?
Yep,
hey,
got mine right here.
Journal check-in. Do you have your trading journal right by you right now? Because you should.
Always.
Because you should.
Writing is the best. Writing is the best. By hand is the best.
Agree.
I agree.
That's very nice.
I just started doing it, I think, about 2 days ago, and I feel like when I journal, I don't carry around like a heavy emotional blanket anymore. So I feel light and kind of springy on my feet today. I think I'm looking at some targets here in the Dow. I am going to focus just on one market. That's another thing that I want to kind of switch up. I was touching too many markets at the same time. So I do think that we can reach December 18th lows here. Maybe not today, but maybe next week of 37,800. That's kind of where our last consolidation was. And I think the middle of this range, which we should probably mark this down actually, being the range trader that I am, if I can find it. There we go. So middle of this range would be, let's see, got 38,064 would be the middle of the previous daily range that we had before we broke out to the upside. So let's go ahead and mark this on the chart. Something to look for.
Hey, heads up! We got a Bostic quote coming up here. I expect an attack on Iran sooner, not later. I'm sorry, Biden. I'm sorry, scratch that. Biden just said that. Biden, not Bostic. I expect an attack on Israel sooner, not later. Wow. Okay.
Is that going to push crude then? No, crude
just came out.
We'll see.
It just came out.
Yeah.
Heads up.
Do you know the beauty?
And we also have Bostic. Then we have Bostic saying he only sees one rate cut this year. So it doesn't sound great for equities.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it looks like YM is starting to head down a little bit here. I am going to be looking for 5-minute consolidations for my entries. Another thing that I got from my journaling is that I was taking trades at levels without price consolidating a little bit at those major levels. So I was just seeing getting into trades and just having them get ripped through. But had I waited 5, 10, 15 minutes, I actually would have been able to, basically get the same trade, but with a lot more defined risk.
Okay. Keep an eye on these headlines.
Yeah.
Sorry guys.
Fantastic.
Keep an eye on these headlines coming out here in the last 49 minutes of the trading week. You never know what could happen. We do have a positive delta in the ES of plus 29,000 as of 4 minutes ago. We'll keep you updated on that.
Yeah, I think ES we might have a very nice retracement maybe in a couple of minutes. A very, very nice one. Yeah, but for me, like the news, I just focus on what the candles are doing. I try to understand what the candles are telling me, the candles and the volume indicator, and then what they tell me. This is how I enter a trade. Otherwise, like news, I don't trade the news, and like until a 4-hour candle close, 1-hour candle close, I'm like pretty much like very neutral, wait for my trade. And now I'm having entries in 15 seconds, and I've discovered a lot of things with my strategy. I've been like back testing, live testing, forward testing for these last 2 months, and it's been very rewarding.
Yeah, hell yeah. Rewarding. Is that right? How rewarding are we talking?
Now I'm having precise entries. Precise.
Beautiful.
Very, very precise. Like for example, like we're looking at my chart, right? When I move the mouse, is it making any noise or is it freezing?
No, I think you're good, man. Yeah. Right? Yeah, feel free. Yes. Yeah, feel free. Chop it up.
Oh, you got the black background now. Is that your chart? Very nice.
Yeah, I mean like this. Check on the top. It's TopstepTV background.
I love it. Love it, my man.
I only use it for you guys.
Appreciate that. You're the best, Max.
Love it. I'm going to try to work a short at 38,194 on the YM. It is a top of a 5-minute range. And since we are just headed lower in general, I do want to try to get aligned with the markets. I'm not even filled yet, though. So I don't think I'm going to get filled. But we will try to look for some 5-minute consolidations to get in on the short side. So it's kind of playing a range within the trend is the name of the game.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I mean.
So just a little recap here. We see one hell of a turnaround in gold, almost $90, $94 turnaround in gold off the highs of the day. Trading 23.54 right now, high of the day, 24.48. I can't say I've ever seen this kind of volatility in gold before. Crude with about a $2 turnaround, $2.25 turnaround off the highs.
Wow.
High of the day there, 87.67. We're now trading 85.42. After quote unquote pit close, we are still seeing volatility. So buckle up and let's trade this power hour up, man. This is gonna be good stuff.
Yeah. I think I need to redo my my charts here.
I do believe we have
my annotations, unfortunately.
I believe we have Daily speaking here in about 16 minutes at the bottom of the hour. Daily is a voter, so we're going to pay close attention on what Daily has to say. It's going to be action-packed power hour here, so let's keep it light and tight. We are subject to headline risk, which makes things tricky. Max, you're saying you don't pay attention to the news. What I do to that point, I got to push back a little bit. I think we have to pay attention to the news to some extent because it can stop us out we can't be blindsided, so to speak, by not knowing that there is news coming across the wire as to why moves are happening. We are seeing a bit of a dip below here in the S&Ps to 51.52, maybe key level 51.50. We'll see how we trade around that.
Yeah, I mean, I do pay attention to the news. What I'm saying is like, for me, they are not really important. Like, they are very important. What I want to say, I know when the news is coming. I just don't trade, right? But however, I just wait at least for a 4-hour candle or 1-hour candle to close, because sometimes you get the news and then the price is doing something completely different from what you expected it to do based on the news. You know what I mean? Sometimes the fundamental works and sometimes they don't. So what I do now, I just focus on my chart and I do my analysis, and I'm like, if this happened, if the chart is doing this, if the candle is closing like that, well, I'm expecting to do this. You know what I mean? And I take my trades based on what I'm seeing. Because sometimes the news might be very, very confusing. They might, the chart might be doing something, and then the news is telling you something else. Like, so since the candle are the only thing that can really tell you exactly what to do, so I just focus on the candles. The news come, I wait for the news, wait for at least 1 hour or 4 hour candle to close, and then I check the chart and then to see what the chart is telling me. So when I see, okay, I have a good insight, okay, the price is doing that now. Okay, what's next? I'm expecting it to do that. And based on my analysis, based on my strategy, my indicators, okay, if it's doing this, for example, like you see this chart here, this is a 15-second chart, right?
What are we looking at? What product are we looking at?
Yeah, this is a 15-second chart, right?
For
example.
Yes, thank you.
Yes,
yes. Yeah, I only show yes.
Okay.
So this is a 15-second chart, right? So price came, so this is the 4 hour, right? So price take this, let's say price take this level here. So highly likely, I'm like, maybe we might little bit of reversal, right? So I go to the 15-second and check what price is doing. For example, when price take this level here, all right, I'm going to show you.
Hit us with prices, Max. Hit us with prices.
Sorry?
Hit us with prices. When you say level, hit us with the number.
Okay, 51, 52, 25.
Thank
so
you.
that was the low of the last 4 hour candle, right? And then, for example, my indicator gave me the signal. So this is the first signal, right? And then based on the signal didn't create a changing state of delivery. But this one did create a changing state of delivery, okay? So I'll be marking this high and then the low of this candle, okay?
Well, looks like.
But since we are doing short, and then this will be my my order block in the 15-second. Would be a long because it created a changing state of delivery. Let me put this in white so you can see it. Okay, this is like MMM external block, change state of delivery, long, right? So what I'm expecting now, after this candle make a break of market structure here, market structure shift here, okay? So, and then so I'm waiting for the price to come down to this level and not close below the consequent encroachment of the external block with the change state of delivery. This is on the 15-second. I want to show the precision of my strategy. And then so I'll be taking it long. So next I have this PO4 candle, bullish, right? It came back, rejected the consequent encroachment, and then this is where I will take my trade. 1, 2, 2. Easy.
Yep.
Easy. 1, 2, 2. Boom. Done.
Yep. Catching a bid here in the YM and the NASDAQ.
Here we are. Yes, we are.
Oh, big one. Yeah, I am trying to get short here, YM, actually.
All right.
You already took your profits, though, didn't you, Max?
I think it's market. We might see a nice reversal here. Like, not reversal, but like a nice retracement on ES, YM, NQ, all of them.
Well, it would be very much so like me to hop into shorts and to somehow catch the catch the uptrend. Wouldn't that be something? Wouldn't that be something?
So
Dolby time.
Did you short it? You short it, right?
No, I actually missed my fill. I actually did miss my fill. I had one offered at 38,184, and we got to 183. So we missed that one. But I'm going to try 84s and 94s. For some shorts, we do have a stop built in. So this is the 50K account, so we only want to risk about $500 overall on this one. But I am looking for a continued downside in the YM. I do want to see if we can get to this 38,071 area. We are short one now, and we might even get short another one. So we're gonna try it and see. If we can get back down to 38,135, I'd probably go to break even on it.
Yep, catching a pop here.
Very good, very beautiful. Another very beautiful trade again. Very, very beautiful.
Quick Delta update. We got plus 30,000 in the ES. Bottom pickers coming in. Yes.
Coming in heavy. Yeah.
Yes, they are.
Like the
big number.
The market needs to at least to give something back to the buyer, so the buyer can get some chance to get something outside of this crazy
Crazy day. Crazy.
Yeah.
And it really is. It's a lot of volatilities on the market, a lot of uncertainty. And as Peter Tuchman was saying, the market can handle about one piece of bad news, but when you start stacking bad news on top of it, then the market has a harder time shaking it off. And I kind of think that is, what we're seeing in the markets here is that we have, confluence of bad news, and the market is, spooked, as it probably should be. We are currently short 38,189, and we'll look to take one off at 38,133, and we want the other one to run lower.
Okay.
So let that marinate a little bit. We have a nice little 5-minute range here, and we're just playing a continuation to the downside of what I would consider a 30-minute range. This might be the bounce of the ages here, and that would be unfortunate, but I still have to take this trade because it is within system.
Like that. A quick tilt update. We got 71% long in the ES, 62% long in NQ. Everything else is hovering around 50-50.
Yeah, we have a very nice volume coming in now on ES.
Yep.
Are you still shorting, Dolby?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You're
very brave.
I'm letting this one
very
play out. Max, you inspired me. I'd get my bravery from you and Dakota, because you guys just put on trades and you let the market do its thing. And it's, I don't want to be the trader that's double clutching every trade, every setup, every take profit. I just want to live in your mindset and just let it roll. So yeah, I'm letting this roll. You know what I mean? If it's wrong, I'll put it in my journal if it's wrong.
The Maserati.
Yeah.
I let it roll on unless I'm very sure. You know what I mean? I do my my analysis in the morning, and I know price needs to do this today, and then if it's going in my favor, then every candle close, I check out okay, it's still in my favor. There's no volume pipe that I need to get out, or there's no there's no crazy candles, there's no news. I'm still on my trade. But if there's any news coming in, or there's any crazy volume candle, the opposite side, and I see price doing something that I'm not expecting it to do, I'm out.
Out.
Right.
He's out, he says. Gold catching a bit here. About $10 off the lows, trading 23.60. Gold's still moving.
Yeah, it's still moving.
Yeah.
Just a heads up, we have daily speaking in 7 minutes. Eddie will be on that.
It's moving up now. I mean, I would have taken a trade if, for example, if this PO for signal here, for example, I have the CDL here, break of market structure here. If I got we touch to this level, and then the market was on discount based on the premium and discount oscillator, I will have to take a trade. But the market just keep going. I don't know if it's coming down. I don't know what the market wants to do now. But I know we have a very huge volume here. It's 4.30. Okay, so normally I'll be placing, for example, when I have this huge volume pipe, so price ain't no bearish candle can close below this level here. So this all I mark it high volume candle. So no candle can close below this. Once a candle close below this, I'm like, okay, so we are not bullish anymore. Highly likely. So I'm expecting price might come down, and then we test this level and then keep going down. But now there's a lot of uncertainty. I don't know what price wants to do. So yeah. So you see, for example, this trade.
I hear you.
In 4 minutes, we have Dali's speech coming in.
Yes.
Yeah. So you're bullish and I'm short, which makes me terrified because you're in the zone. I'm a little out of pocket right now.
Maserati.
For example, you see it all here. You see this huge bullish volume here. If price wanted to keep going down, price should have come down here, close below it, right? And then we test it and then keep going down. Now we have a huge bearish spike, but still, it's not very, very encouraging to take a short.
Right.
Still,
right.
The bulls are in control. See, another volume spike here, and then replacing my high volume candle here. See, this candle protected it. So now, if price close below here, maybe we might see a nice downward move. Okay,
I see what you're
here we
saying.
go.
Here we go.
Let's see. Let's see. It didn't close. Let's see if it.
We have a 75% long tilt in ES, 75% long in gold, 71% long in NQ.
Yeah. I'm moving my stop down to just above previous highs. So we're still going to take some risk, but not all of the risk. So we're going to cut our risk by like 90%.
Yeah, see, now it's going down. See, it closed below it, and now it's nice. See? Boom.
Okay.
About it.
Wait, hold on. I want you to teach me this real quick. Can you switch to my charts real quick?
Sorry?
I want the James. Okay. So, Max, do you see this volume I have down here? We're on the YM. It's very small. It's this right here, this little bit, right?
Yeah.
So this is the bar. It closed. This is the low of it. So this is what you're trying to watch, right? When you are you want like one big volume bar, and that's the one that you want to kind of compare to other volume bars around it, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
So it's this. Okay, so it's this bar right here.
Which time frame are you in?
This is 1 minute. Which one do you do it off of?
Mine's 15 second.
15 second. Okay,
15
I can't
seconds.
go that small. That is so fast. That is so fast. Okay, this is a 1 minute one, but so I have here the most volume that came.
I think price will just this is a retracement. This is a retracement. See, price cannot keep going down. I think it might be a retracement, and then let's see if price come down to 51, 52.25. But I don't think so. I don't think price will close below this level here. So let's see.
Okay.
You might have a nice little retracement.
Okay. Because the low of that volume candle, yeah. So I'm going to break even now. We've already spent enough time testing around. Let's see if we can get one off at 38,135, and then we're going to let the other one run if we can. Okay, so yeah, so that big volume bar was the one I have highlighted right now at is that 2:19 Central time?
On the 1 minute, right?
Okay. On the 1 minute, and the open of that bar was 38,157, and we are catching a little bit of a bid at that bar. Will it stay? Who knows? But then the top of that bar was 38,183. So it is offering some support here, which I think is kind of cool. I might be checking this out, Max. I might be stealing your strats and adding it to my toolbox if this holds up. If this doesn't hold up, then I never saw this before, Max.
It's completely
you only get a sample size of 1 in my book, and that's it. This has to work right now, or else I'm never.
Check on the 1 minute at 51, 53.25. You have a huge bullish volume spike here. You see, this is my indicator. This is a PO4 bullish here, right? And then you see the huge volume spike.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
On the volume node. And then so basically, I'll be like, this is my highest volume candle. This is 1 minute here. So I'll be placing a line here. If price close below this level here, which means price doesn't want to go higher up anymore. You know, for example, if I was on the 15 second, I would have get out of this trade by then. Before it even reached down there. So now let's see. As I say, this might be a nice retracement. If it doesn't close below this level here, if it doesn't close inside this consequent encroachment here of the MMM external block chain set of delivery long here, if it doesn't close inside of the consequent encroachment, which means and price reject this level here and then give another PO4, which means price will keep going higher. So now we are just like retesting this level. If this level is strong enough, it will push price higher. If it's not strong enough, price will just pierce it, retest it, and go all the way down.
Yeah. All right. I'm learning. I'm not going to do it on the 15-second chart, but I'm going to use this candle strat that you got. So far,
See?
YM buyers about as soft as Mick's
Yes, they are.
roast during his roast section
Ooh,
today.
get him, Dolby.
So we will see
Did you hear
if the buyers can step in here.
Did you hear that roast today, Dolby?
I did. Yeah, that was soft. I think I think Mick is actually softer than some of the cashmere I have in my closet.
Wow. Looks like Mick's getting roasted right now. Wow. Mick, step your game up, Dolby says.
That's a good one, buddy.
No, did you see the rejection? Exactly at the level of the candle. Exactly at 51, 53.25. Do you see the rejection? Boom. Like a rocket.
Yep.
Like a rocket.
Yep.
All right, let's trade this up. We got a half hour, 29 minutes left
attention.
in this power hour.
You have my attention. All right, I'm gonna cover one. I'm gonna cover one, so I'll put us up to 85. Nothing you did, Max. Nothing you did. Wasn't
Good job, Max. Good job.
You never know. I just had to cover it. I feel like it was part of my strategy. Everything was totally fine. That's why I covered the one right there. It's all good. It's all good.
We'll pop in the NASDAQ, pop in S&Ps.
We are done.
Same
We're
here.
done.
Yeah, really nice bounce.
Maserati on fire right now.
Really nice bounce. Yep.
Yeah.
I'm still cool. I'm keeping this here though.
I spent 2 years developing this strategy. Even still nowadays, I'm still working on it. Like these last 3 months, I've been like live testing. Taking contrarian trade, like throwing it all into my strategy to see where's the limit, where's the detail. So now it's so perfect. See, for example, if I was on the 15 second, you see the signal on. Oh, okay, I'm not. Yeah,
yep, I'm flat now.
This is a 15 second chart, right? You see, price came exactly to the high volume candle node here. And then you see, it gives me another signal. This is my PO4 signal for my indicator. Boom. So I'll be entering here. I'll be taking a long exactly here.
What price, Max?
Stop loss here, and then 1 to 2. 1 to 2 here. Boom.
Really quick on the tilt here. We got heavy biases to the long side in YM. ES with the 81% long tilt right now, 82% long tilt. NASDAQ 74% long tilt. Gold 74% long tilt. YM 75 or 77% long tilt in the YM. But on the upside. With the Delta plus 29,000 in the ES as of 4 minutes ago. Bulls are going to try to hold the bottom here.
They will try. Yeah, I mean the 5 minute is still very range bound in YM. I mean this could still do either a rollover or push to the upside. I'm still waiting. I'm currently flat though. We got $89.40 in that trade, so we didn't quite get our take profit that we wanted, which would have been close to new lows. So it did decide to bounce above that. Max might have had something to do with that. I don't know yet, so we'll have to check his orders later and see if he got some bits in there to push.
Dr. Maserati in the house.
Yeah.
Dr. Maserati.
I'm telling you, the market makers. The market makers. Like when you lose a lot. I took a decision in my life. I needed to figure this out. It's like either die trying.
Yes.
So that's why I came up with all these, like looking the chart, looking the candle. So my strategy is focused on volume, because without volume, there's no market, right? And the big candles, all the candles are closing. Where's the power? Premium and discount. I sell in premium and buy in discount. It is like pretty normal behavior. Like you wouldn't want to buy something very expensive. You just wait for the price to go down, and then you buy it in a discount, and so you can sell it for more money, and then you get some benefits.
Cheap trades. It's the name of the game.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I got 25 minutes left in this session. Before the fireworks get going here, if we got quiz results, guys, back there, we can post those. We got 77% long tilt in the ES. With a bit of a pullback here. Looking at the 5-minute. Oh, there we go. Quiz results real quick. What we got? Coach Jay, well done.
Good Jay.
Coach Jay, good job. Top Step MP's rants.
Well done.
Wow. We'll let some of these slide. It is Friday. Thank you. Thank you. You saw that one, Dolby?
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Did you get out, Dolby?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. I'm flat.
Perfect. That's great. That's great. That's good. Well done.
Yeah. Doesn't mean I won't try something crazy, but we are flat for right now. Volume is kind of just trickling down. Nothing huge coming up as far as volume goes. I'm curious to see if this higher low sticks in the YM on the 1-minute chart. That has kind of been hanging out there. We also have a series of higher highs on the 1-minute. So I do wonder if we're getting some buyers stepping in now.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Doing a nice retracement here.
Yeah, it's kind of
You know what
chilling.
I
Not a ton
realize
of,
this price?
yeah, not a ton going
go
on.
ahead,
I
Dolby.
do think we're going to get a run. I think we're going to get a run of something. I can't imagine it just sits in this range for the entire time. That would be bizarre.
I mean, today's Friday as well. You know, like people are selling. Like people who went long yesterday, they are massively selling, and with all the uncertainty going on, so basically people are like, there's a lot of fear. So they just like, okay, I don't want to stay in this market anymore. Let me get my profits.
Right.
And then
Like who would want to be overnight?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. YM is pushing down.
Yeah, now
All right,
price
guys.
is
Hey,
pushing down because
all right, we got something.
Price-
We got some words coming out of Daily here. We will maintain policy stance as long as necessary. No reason to be surprised by bumps. We are on track to bring inflation down to 2%. There's too much discussion of how many rate cuts rather than what we are trying to accomplish. The economy and policy rate is in a good place. I need to be fully confident inflation is coming down to 2% before considering a rate cut. So sounds like longer or higher for longer. Yeah, we're starting to see
I don't
some
know if the
sell-off
market's going
here.
to like that, Trey.
I don't think they are either.
Rate cuts. I think they want
they
those
do
rate
too.
cuts, if I had to guess.
Yep,
So I
starting to
got
see some
those
sellers here.
algos scraping the interwebs for Fed speakers.
Magic words. Yep.
Yeah.
okay, now we're in a swap. Still, price is
So now you're
price is
bearish?
struggling. To,
After those words,
now
yeah.
it's bearish. But
The
still,
longs
you see
got squeezed there.
the consequent encroachment is being respected still. But now we are partially bearish. But unless price closing inside of the consequent encroachment of the external block, I'm still long. But I wouldn't take any trade from this level now. I wouldn't take any trade now. We just wait for what price wants to do, and probably I'll be checking the 15 minutes to see what's on. Oh, so yeah, we might go down a bit. 1 hour, yeah, we might go down. Definitely, yeah.
I think the market's not going to like
It
that.
might go down a bit. But this level needs to be violated.
I mean, we got a little volume spike on the 1 minute, which is an eternity in Max's mind, but we did have one on the 1 minute. Yeah, right? So we'll see what happens here, but the volume spike for that 1 minute candle, the bottom of that would be 38,139, and the top would be 38,156. So, Max, would you theoretically start taking buys above that candlestick on that 1 minute?
I wouldn't take any. I wouldn't take any trade right now until I get a signal. No trades there. Okay. No trades. Well, here, if this candle close, you see, there's a volume spike here. Here, you see. So right on top of this candle. So I'll be marking this level here. And if price close above it,
yeah.
Maybe I might think, see, if it close above it, oh yeah, definitely, yeah. If it close above it, and it's still respecting the consequent encroachment, and I have a PO for bullish. If price close above here, maybe I might still thinking in a long.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I might take a long here and wait for a retracement down here and take a long here. Same level here.
Ooh. Yeah. Okay.
One, two.
Okay. Well,
Max,
I'm
what
still gonna
price?
try
Max, you're
shorts.
talking about taking along here. Max, what price are we looking at?
Oh,
Taking
so
along.
the price, it will be, but it hasn't come back. 51, 54, 50.
54
At the
half.
middle of the
54 half.
candle, because I really like when price come back and we test the PO4 and then go up. But this price is very, very strong. The bullish really want to push price up, but we don't know. It might be a fake out. Yeah, definitely they want to push. Price is very strong.
Yes.
See,
Everything
price,
is
you see
a
price
fake
come
out.
down here to the premium and
Buyers
discount
coming back.
oscillator. Didn't even touch the discount, and then we trace on top of the equilibrium. See, price wants
What
to
are
push
those?
higher.
What is that? What's that indicator at the very bottom?
Oh, it's a premium discount oscillator.
Okay. So just cheap trades. So it's basically a cheap trade indicator.
Yeah.
Got it.
So it just help with the overall analysis. So for example, when price is down, so here I can see the bank getting in, and then it just help with the price analysis. So if price is here, this is discount, this is extreme discount down here. This is premium, this is extreme premium. So when price is trending, price normally stay between the discount and extreme discount within this line here, never cross above. And when price is trending here, it stay inside of extreme premium and premium. So as you can see here, price tried to come back, and price was rejected very in a very powerful manner, and then it keep going up.
All right, let's see if we can get out of this 5 minute, this range here on the 5 minute in the NASDAQ trading. Here we go.
Yeah,
I'm going to try
Another
shorts.
push. Okay, Dolby's going to play the range here.
Yep. 5 minute range. Short 2.
Are you shorting, Dolby?
Yep.
What?
Yep. Not
based
making me
on
feel
what?
too good
Based
about
on
my
what
short.
you're shorting? Based on what?
You're
Do
not
you have
making me feel too good.
Do you have any what is the idea behind the short?
5 minute consolidation.
Plus 32,000 delta in the ES. Boy, the longs are
That's so much
piling
delta.
in right
That
now.
is so much delta.
If they're wrong, though, Dolby, they're going to have to puke. If they're wrong, Dolby, they're going to have to puke to the downside.
I don't know. Max is not like my trade, and I don't like my trade anymore.
Max. Still catching a bit here. The equities got down.
All this analysis point by point, even in the 15 second.
Sometimes some people just want to suffer, Max.
Sorry?
Some people just want to take their trades and suffer. I need a trade. I have to journal today. I have to journal about this one today.
Nick T, our live funded trader, says NQ needs to clear 170. We're trading 172 right now. I think we want to see some more follow through. Nick T, one of our best funded traders. So we've got to clear 170 in the NQ. So currently trade 174. Yeah, I'll catch you in a bit here on the S&Ps and Dow.
Yeah.
This is
Does
beautiful.
not feel too hot.
This is beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Max, did you get long? Max, did you get long?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay.
One trip today,
fine.
but it's so difficult.
Here we go.
As long as you're not actually fading me actively, then I feel a lot better about that.
Here we go. We just hit 45. 15 minutes left.
You see this huge PO4 bullish in the 5 minutes. The pushing
Coach
up.
Jay says 194 is key in the NQ. We just cleared 170.
Yeah, this trade is
because
terrible.
price was in deep discount today. Very, very deep discount.
Beautiful long. Hope you guys took that.
I should have taken
my journal out.
Don't fade.
Anyway.
Dear journal, dear diary,
fade,
don't
dear
fade.
Journal, how did
Max.
you know that? Dear journal, do not fade the guest.
Do not fade Dr. Max Maserati. All right, here we go. 15 minutes left. Boo, heavy tilt in the YM, 85%, 79% long in the NQ, and then ES, we're jumping around 80% long in NQ.
Out.
Everyone's long.
Yeah, so that was a really nice bounce. So 30-minute consolidation, and then it ended up getting a 5-minute support within the range, and then bounced. So that was a really good
So you got out,
long.
right?
Whoever took that one, I got stopped out. Yeah. So I definitely could have made a case for a long there, because we did have the 5-minute consolidation, and we did have a kind of consolidation within a consolidation. So we have a 30-minute range, and then the 5-minute range was like down here at the very bottom, and it was very tiny. But that would have been a nice long if I was directionally sound, because it would have been a cheap trade. So I was expecting continuation to the downside. So it might look like this trade was really bad, but this kind of trade would have been like really good, say like up here maybe for a cheap short or something, or even further up. So live and learn. We'll be okay.
But remember as well, like when you're in deep discount like that, and then price just take this 4-hour low, so you might price highly likely reverse a little bit, and then if it doesn't reverse, it might retrace. So one of them should happen. So that's why I was like, okay, price in deep discount, so at least I should have a retracement or a reversal here, at least minimum.
Yeah. Sony, that is not nice. That is not nice, Sony.
It's okay.
They can't just have Dakota all the time, chat.
Yeah.
You can't just be like, I want Dakota all the time. He literally has to sleep at some point in time.
It's yes.
He's got a paper route, so leave him alone.
Yeah, seriously. If you do like Dakota, though, join him 8 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Thursday, for Slow Markets, the hottest new show on TopstepTV. Dakota is right. He is trading absolutely out of his mind, in the zone, in the pocket. So good.
Yeah.
Back to my entry where I first shorted.
The 15-second chart. The 15-second chart here at 51.6675. 51.6675.
We gotta switch to your chart. Hold up. We'll get you there. We go.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
You see here. This is the very nice spike of bullish volume, right? See how price close below it. If I'm on a trade now, I'm out. You see price close below it. And then, so we're waiting for price either to retest this level, or just, if price retest this level here, come inside of this fair value gap and reject down, which means like price will no longer go up. But highly likely now, price either being like retracing or reversing, one of them. Retracing to go higher or reversing. But let's see. So this volume, you see this volume spike, they are very important. You take the largest one, and then you compare it. If price close above it or below it, if you're on a trade, you just get out. See? Now price came back to it. Let's see if price will react or reject the fair value gap going down. Will it respect it? Will it close above it? But let's see. But highly likely, this might be a retracement. You see, the premium and discount oscillator now, price came to the equilibrium. The equilibrium is supporting price here. Yeah. So now it's all about like if price close above here or above this high, and then the rest is history. We might keep going higher. Yeah, it definitely might keep going higher.
Yep. Buyers will just not give up. We have a delta now of plus 34,000 in the ES. We've got 80% long in, where is that? It's YM. Everything's over 70% long, ES and NQ as well. Buyers will just not give up. Like Max was saying, discount plus 35,000 now in the delta, as we just hit 10 minutes left in this session, left in this week.
Yeah. Nice rejection.
All right, we got the MOC imbalance coming in at 1.5 billion to the buy side. Back to you, Andre.
Wow. Okay.
Thank you.
Wow.
All right, so everyone wants to buy.
Interesting.
It's very apparent. Damn it. That was a house account trade right there.
Very interesting. Yeah.
Damn it.
I mean, 30-minute range is really nice on the YM. If I did want to take a short, I would want to take it up at 38,280-ish, maybe 38,265.
Yeah, price will go down now.
I think watch price go down. Yeah.
Yeah. because you see, it didn't close above. It respected the volume level here, and then pushed down.
This could be some just short-term profit taking as well. People buying off the lows, a little short-term profit taking here. Once they get out of the way, we could see some more room to the upside. We think about it. See, we all got long around 52s or 53s, 54s in the S&Ps. Taking 10 handles out of a trade going into the weekend with 9 minutes left. I think people will take that for a little profit taking, and then once they get out of the way, could see some more buyers come in here.
Well, I'm doing Max's little sneaky volume trick on this candlestick.
Yeah, sneaky, Max, sneaky. Oh, really quick, hashtag power hour. Don't forget about the hashtag power. Hashtag power hour.
I'm not because you went short. I'm not the cause.
It's not your fault. It's my fault. My responsibility. It's my responsibility. I take full responsibility of my trades unless my cat placed them. Then it's definitely his fault. Definitely his fault.
It says new lows on the close. We'll see.
Yeah, so a big volume candle in the 1 minute has framed this 5 minute bar pretty well. Kind of want to take a long, but it's not really in plan, unfortunately. If we can get, it's like only 8 minutes left. I didn't have enough time to. Yeah. You basically get like one trade. No. That's like really all you get for power hour. It flies by too fast.
Delta. Last Delta reading there. Vladislav is plus 34,000 as of 6 minutes ago. I think that may have grown a bit. Update here.
All right, I'm going to stick a long right below this 5 minute range.
35,000.
Wow.
34,000. Thank you, John. Plus 34,000.
I think we got Mick in the chat right now.
Yeah, he's fired up.
I'm on 38,187. Oh, yeah, Mick, are you actually taking notes on how to do it now? You might want to stick around or rewind the session. Could help you out.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we tried a long here. Not too great. 38,187. We'll see if this ends up catching a bid. Let's see if this catches a bid. Yeah, Mick, I don't know if you want to pick a fight with someone who's only 5'6" and talks a ton of shit, because that's kind of been my defense mechanism for the last.
We can do push-ups.
We are long here to 38,187. Let's go.
187.
Let's see if we can catch a bid.
Yeah, it might work out unless it closes above 51, like 50 to 75. It might keep going up. This looks like a very nice
just below.
Yeah, because like we just came to discount here, and then as you see this blue candle here down there, seems like the buyers and the sellers are fighting. But seems like the buyers are in control, like a little bit in control. So once we have a green candle here, which means like the buyer pretty much won the fight, and then we are waiting here for a close above this level. This is the highest volume spike we have for the bear. So here we're expecting price to appear, so we confirm the bullishness of price. If it doesn't close above here, we still down.
Heads up. We got 10 seconds. 10 seconds till 55 hits. 10 seconds. Big liquidity injection perhaps coming.
Yeah. So definitely the bulls are coming in.
Get ready.
Here you go.
Come on. Upside. Let's go. Boom. All right. Let's take it to the upside.
Yeah.
Let's cheerlead this trade all the way up to top of range.
Come on, Dolby time. Peace out, Command 86. Have a good weekend.
I commend it to go higher for you.
Hell yeah. We're going to break even. Let's let this roll. Let this roll to the upside.
No worry. You get your nice little trade. You see this huge volume spike on the bullish volume spike. And we have a PO4 now. Here you go.
Catching a bid.
Yep. Nick, I have 2 lots on the YM, by the way. So learn to count. It's a 2-lot trade. Look at this going to the upside.
Push for Dolby time. 75% long YM Dolby.
Push.
Love it. Okay, we're break even. Nothing but upside right now. Let's see if we can get above this 5-minute range. Really need to get above 38,220-ish. Let's see if that happens.
Okay, let's see if price reject this level. 51.6275.
Less than 4 minutes.
Yeah, price rejected it. Here you go. You get your nice rejection from the level, and then price will highly likely keep going up now. You see on the 15 second. Check on the 15 second. You'll see a nice rejection from 51.6275.
Yeah, I mean, we're not getting a huge.
Let's go, Dolby.
No,
Let's go.
buyers. They're just going to run right in. But it's not pumping as hard or as fast as I thought it would initially. Dre, calm down. But it is going up quite slowly. Quite slowly.
Mick's in here talking trash.
Is it?
Anyways, focus on your trade. Focus on your trade, Dolby. We got less than 3 minutes.
I was still in college.
Danielle's loving
It's okay. It will keep going up.
It's going to keep going up.
No worry. Unless it closed below 51.6275, you're done.
Here we go.
Unless it closed below this level, 51.6275.
2.5 minutes. Long positive, big positive delta. Hey, last ask, please click like, please click subscribe. It's been one hell of a week. Like I said, we did cross 80,000 subscribers this week, so we will have a bell-to-bell special for you sometime next week. I actually don't know exactly when, but we will have it, so tune in next week. Action-packed earnings, going to be with a lot of earnings next week, so get ready. Let's trade this up.
Okay, whose race car was that? Whose Lambo was that driving away from the markets? That's what I heard in the background.
I heard a Maserati.
I think it's Mick just pulling up to your house right now.
This guy passing by with Lambo, Bugatti almost every day. They make
finer things in life.
Cool. If the Wolves was passing by, I'm like, dude.
90 seconds.
I'm like,
Yep. I do want to take profit at the top of this high here at the 30-minute range. I think it's very, very doable. We got maybe now. We've got 2 minutes left.
Yeah,
so
it
we'll
is.
Probably just end up.
It is. Price will keep pushing.
Stay strong,
up.
Dolby. Stay strong.
It's strong. No worry. Highly likely might close above maybe 51,
Jim Carlton.
57. We don't know, unless something crazy happened. Yeah. My reverse. We'll reverse.
Just a quick heads up. Next Friday is the return of Danny Trades as well, and the stock market will be back on Monday. So get ready for that. And we got a bunch of liquidity just hit the market in the S&Ps.
Yes.
Get ready, buckle up. We got less than 60 seconds, 40 seconds left in the trading week. Wow, what a week. What a day.
Hello.
Whoa.
God.
Get him.
That's very nice. That's very nice.
What?
Very nice rolling spike. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You're looking very nice, Dolby. You're looking nice.
Dolby. Max, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Max, what are you doing on here hanging out with this guy, Dolby?
Yeah. Oh, we got the risk manager's attention.
Yo.
Dolby's screwing around. I got
10 seconds.
my enforcer right here. I got the guard dog right here. And hey, everybody, hold on.
What are you looking for, Dolby?
Wait. Everybody that's watching right now, do you know that Dolby's claim to fame in life is taking an $1,800 payout here at Topstep from back in the day?
Oh,
Claim to fame, yep. $1,800.
That's true.
He's talking shit. We can dish it out.
That is
Dolby,
true.
how many combines you go through to get that 1,800?
I mean,
where was this on the roast, Nick?
Not as many as a lot of people used to do or currently do. Not as many. It was a different time back then. It's a different time.
His bouncer just bounced.
I'm so happy I've got good relationships with all these people here at Topstep that I'm getting pinged left and right about Dolby talking shit. So here I am. I wanted to come on. I wanted to cast a little shade your way. And I also, not only do I have good relationships with people here at Topstep, one of my good dear friends is also on the creative side of things. So I had her whip up a little something for everybody's.
Get him, Mick.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. My
Let's
man.
go.
So,
Oh God,
like,
I hate that joke. That's one of my least favorite jokes.
Good there,
One of my
Well,
least favorite.
well,
Nick
perfect.
Dobby. God damn it, chat.
Dobby,
God
Dobby
damn
in
it.
trouble.
Abby, thank you very much.
The Dobby joke.
Dobby's in trouble.
The talented
Dobby
and
joke is
powerful
one of
Abby.
the worst.
So,
How did you?
all right,
How did you know my weak spot? How did you know my weak spot?
I've got people everywhere. Dobby. I've got people everywhere.
Dobby. Oh.
You're not safe. You're not safe, Dobby.
All right.
You're not safe.
Now
All
this
right,
right.
boys and girls.